Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So I've been an American hardback dealer for a really long time. A great company. They're going through some issues right now, so some parts are not available, and this really hurts us because two things we bought exclusively from them was the 5x7 to 6x9 adapters and the 1/2-inch spacers that we use in all our installs. I didn't realize that they were going through issues over there. Hopefully they get everything resolved and hopefully it'll be back on track. It'd be sad to see American hardbacks go because anybody that's been in the motorcycle audio industry knows that American hardbacks did everything first. They've literally created the aftermarket motorcycle audio accessory market. They've been doing it since the 70s. Anybody that's been doing Harley Davidson audio at one time or another installed an American hardbag 8-inch kit or a 10-inch kit or a 5x7 to 6x9 adapter. So nobody can ever take that away from them. They were the first, they were innovators, they've been doing stuff for a long time. I really respect the president of that company and everybody that works there. But it caused an issue for us because we've always relied on them for these parts. So I reached out to Keith Dube from Dube's Customs, and I explained to him, Keith fabricates a lot of stuff. So anything I need fabricated, I'll usually reach out to Keith Dube or Tim Nagy. So on this one, Dube just happened to ask me if there was anything that he thought that there was an opening in the motorcycle audio market where he could come in and make a custom project to help out the industry. And I said, you called me at the perfect time. I just tried to reach out to American hardbacks and I can't get my normal 5x7 to 6x9 adapters for the power lock and non-power lock, and also the 6x9 1/2-inch spacers that we get from them. So he's like, no problem. He's like, send me over some pictures or samples of what you need. And he goes, I'll see if I can design in CAD and get you over. It took this dude like 3 days to get samples in my hands, and everything works perfectly. So we're gonna be buying this stuff from Dube's Customs. If American hardbags happens to come back online, I'd be glad to continue to support them. But for those of you that need a solution, like we need a solution right now, I normally order the 6x9 adapters 50 at a time. I normally order the 5x7 to 6x9 adapters 20 at a time. So it's going to be a good amount of business available for Keith being able to make these adapters. But I'm going to show you the prototypes he sent me, and we've been able to do a couple of bikes with them, and everything's worked out perfectly. I had him tweak a few little things, and they worked flawlessly. But anybody that needs 5x7 to 6x9 adapters, I don't know who else is making them, but I know that Keith and I have been working on a solution, and I'm buying them from Keith now that I can't get them from American Hardbags. So check it out.